Chapter 10. Our Clothes. You will learn our clothes, clothes of women, clothes of men. Children, we are organizing a fancy dress competition in our school. You select the dress of your choice and participate. Yes, teacher, I will wear Gujarati dress. I will choose the dress of a joker. Teacher's note. Tell the children about the importance of wearing clothes. Discuss why people wear different traditional dresses in our country. The people of our country wear different types of clothes. The choice of our clothes depend on the climate of the region we live in. For example, the climate of hilly and mountain areas is cold throughout the year. So the people wear woolen clothes that keep them warm. In desert areas, such clothes are worn which can protect people from hot and dry climate. We wear cotton clothes in summer and woolen clothes in winter. Some clothes are common throughout the country. For example, saris, salwar kameez, shirts, t-shirts, shorts, trousers, coats, pants, and kurta pajama are some such dresses. However, the people of our country also wear their traditional dresses. We can also tell the region or state of the person by looking at his/her dress. Let us know about these traditional dresses worn by men and women. Clothes of women. Women in India wear a variety of colorful clothes. The most common and traditional form of dress of women is sari. It is worn in different states in different ways. The design and fabric of saris also vary from one state to another. Nowadays, women in cities and towns like to wear all kinds of western dresses. These are jeans, shirt, trousers, skirts, tops, tunic, gowns, etc. Clothes for men. The traditional clothes of men in India also have different varieties. Kurtas are worn with dhotis, pajamas, churidars or lungis in different parts of our country. In southern states, lungi, a long cloth, is worn around the waist by men. Lungi kurta or lungi with shirt is common in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. In Kerala, lungi is called mundu and vesthi in Tamil Nadu. In Rajasthan, a pajama or dhoti is worn with angrakha on the upper part of the body. In Gujarat, men wear a short frilled white angrakha over white pajamas or dhoti and a jacket. Let us see what are the traditional dresses of men in different states of our country. In some states of our country, men wear turbans or caps to cover their heads. The style of tying the turban differs from one state to another. Men in cities and towns usually wear shirts, trousers, jeans, coat, t-shirt and shorts. There are many special occasions in India like weddings, festivals and parties. People wear formal dresses on such occasions. These formal dresses are colorful, embroidered saris, salwar kurta, lehenga, sherwani, suits, etc. Recall. Clothes are our basic need. The people of our country wear different types of clothes. Some common dresses of our country are saris, salwar kameez, shirts, t-shirts, shorts, trousers, coats, pants and kurta pajama. Women in India wear a variety of colorful clothes. The traditional clothes of men and women in India also have different varieties.